to the bastards, knuckleheads, Queensland. 3 of mine dead. Nothing left to do but tear their ass to shreds, leave them in bloodshed. Incidents like this, I take trips. Lay up in Miami with Tamika and Tammy. So Creole, Theo bitches, I met on tour. Push a peach, magic coupe, gold teeth, galore. She told me meet them in the future later. They'll take me shopping, buy me lavender and fuchsia gators. Introduce me to player haters and heavyweights. Rich bitch shit, drinking crystal till they piss the shit. Thorough bitches, adapt to any borough bitches. Be in spots where there were no bitches, you feel me? Reminisce from death